Okay, so sorry guys. So now today we are going to start our Oracle database. How to convert in the archive log mode. No archive log mode to archive log mode. So first we will check our database. So here Oracle 96 ORCL database is running in DB. You can see. So now I'm going to log in database and check the status of this database. Yes, you can see our database is production database and currently is running in primary and open mode is mount mode and also archive log list. Here we can see the database is archive log mode is no archive log mode and automatic archival is disabled. So first we have to convert in the no archive log mode to the archive log mode. So we will check the some parameters and then we will set the parameter and convert to the archive and enable the archive log mode. So parameter log archive log best log archive let's go dest. Yeah, here you can say dest one is not set. Archive log dest one is enabled, but archive log dest parameter is not set. You can see value is not there. So that value we will set first. Okay. So so parameter. Yeah. So this parameter where our archive log generated archive log will be stored. And we can also that say flash where our archive data archive will be generated and stored. So it currently is not set. So first we will set this parameter. So I'm taking another session and show you the path where we can create this archive path. So I'm taking another session. Okay. Okay. So I'm already created FRA flash recovery area. We can say flash recovery area where is our archive will generate and store. So this is the our path. So this path we will set on in database for archive generation. So here, what is the command? Alter, yeah, clear first. Inventory, alter system, alter system set archive log dest equal to location equal to what was the path? This path where our archive will generate. So this path will be set alter system set archive log. Okay. So now show parameter. Yeah, you can see here our archive log test one is set. Okay, so archive log list currently disabled. So now we will enable the our DB is currently mount mode. It should be mount mode when we will change the mode of the database no archive log to archive log mode. So alter database archive log alter database archive log. This is the our command to set. Okay, so now we can check. Yeah, here is now our database mode is changed. Archive mode and automatic archival is enabled and path is also set. So if we are any transaction happening in the database, it will be first write in the log buffer cache to, and once transaction is completed, then it will be automatically write this log buffer cache to the database data file. So that is the this part, and that transactions which in archive in buffer cache that will be stored in this in FRA location that called archive log destination one. Okay, so we can go to this path and check. So no archive will generate currently. So first we can uh, currently our database mode is mount mode. So first we will open the database, select name open underscore mode from dollar database. Okay. So this is mount mode. So here we will open the database, alter database, open. Okay. So now some do the switch log, system switch log for checking the archive log is storing in this location or not. Alter system switch log file. So it will be system generated log file. So we can 2 or 3 4 filter system switch log we will done and check. Go to this path and check. I'm going to the other sessions. Where is the path? Here we can see some archive is generated. You can see the timestamp 11:12. So currently is 11:12 already generated the archive log. So it means our database is now running in the archive log mode. So this is our scenario today. Thank you for watching.